I am nature. Here we are. Here we are sitting together in Ream Central Park, surrounded by trees, surrounded by birds, close to the beach and the water, surrounded by vast open blue sky, surrounded by sunlight, surrounded by nature. And perhaps noticing nothing here is separate from nature. Nothing here is separate from what is. Not the trees, not the birds, not the clouds, not the water, and not this body, not your body, not this breath, not this mind, not this experience. Nature is appearing as trees. Nature is appearing as birds. Nature is appearing as water. Nature is appearing as sky. Nature is appearing as you, a human being. The heart is beating. The lungs are breathing. Blood is flowing. Cells are regenerating. Neurons are firing. Digestion is happening. Hair is growing. Toenails and fingernails are growing. Life is lifing. Life is living. Atoms, molecules, protons, neutrons, electrons, hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, calcium, iron, the same elements appearing as stars, the same elements appearing as oceans, the same elements appearing as mountains, the same elements appearing as your body. Energy, vibration, frequency, movement, sensation, perception, awareness. What is already? Whatever is appearing, this nature is appearing. Thoughts appearing. thoughts coming and going, uninvited, feelings appearing, sounds appearing, sensations appearing, memories appearing, experiences happening, everything arising, everything changing, everything moving, everything flowing, everything unfolding effortlessly all by itself. The sun is shining, the wind is moving, the birds are singing, the earth is turning, the universe is growing and expanding. Life is expressing itself. Nature is naturing. Nature doesn't need improvement. Nature doesn't need correction. There's nothing to repair. There's nothing to fix. The bird is not trying to become a better bird. The tree is not in competition with other trees. The river is not trying to flow better. Nature is already being what it is. And here we are, being what we cannot not be. Natural. If there is stress, allow it to soften. If there is sadness, allow it to appear. If there is fear, see it as energy and give it to the earth. Give it to the sky. Let go and give it to the wind, allowing it to dissolve, allowing it to fully be, allowing it to melt, allowing life to flow. The universe is unfolding outside of the body. The universe is unfolding inside of the body. It's the same unfolding. It's the same movement. It's the same momentum. The same movement towards well-being and homeostasis and balance. It's the same mystery. I am nature, already, always. No matter what is happening, no matter what is appearing, I am nature. I am what is already. Nothing to seek, nothing to look for, because everything is already present. The universe is always and already present. This fullness of life and being is always present. Atoms, molecules, protons, neutrons, electrons, hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, calcium, iron. Everything is nature. Everyone is nature. All there is this vibrant, pulsating, wild, free nature. Wholeness, undivided, raw, vulnerable, powerful, ecstatic, divine, miraculous, mysterious. All there is intelligence and creativity being expressed as nature, as you, as what is already, as what is appearing to appear. Nothing missing. No real existential problem. Just life unfolding from moment to moment. What does it feel like to be nature? What does it feel like to be you? What is the experience of being a human being, surrounded by nature, filled with nature? Here, now, always, everywhere. Be what you cannot not be. Nature. Life. Aliveness. Love. You are love. You are unconditional love. All there is unconditional freedom and love. What is already?